And here's an equation where in question 4, where we've got to start by solving an equation. We've got to dig that x out of this. It's going to be a log, but before you're ready to take logs, you need to do something about that 3 that's in the way. Then in part B, it's one of these questions where y is e to the x, and we've got to turn this equation into something that looks like this, a quadratic equation. Now, if you find that tough, notice that this is a re-entry point. Even if you can't do b dot e2 for b dot e1 for b dot e2, all you've got to do is take that as your starting point, get 2 answers for y, and then remember that y equals e to the x to get your 2 answers for x and all 3 of these marks. But going back to b dot e1, this term here is obviously going to be easy in terms of y. It's e to the minus x that you need to relate to y, and if you remember that minus powers cause a particular thing, then you should be able to express e to the minus x as a fraction involving y, and then when you work the algebra through, that will turn into this equation here.